Belgium, the world capital of chocolate, where every bite tells a story of craft and passion. From historic streets of Brussels to Antwerp, chocolate factories stand as temples of flavor. It all begins with hand-selected cocoa beans, sourced from the finest plantations. Roasting and grinding unlock the deep, complex flavors unique to Belgian chocolate. The conching process refines chocolate to silky perfection, a labor of patience.
Every chocolate is carefully molded into exquisite shapes, each piece a work of art.
Master chocolatiers package each piece with precision, ready for the world to savor. A bite of Belgian chocolate melts the soul, a harmony of flavor and craft.
From local shops to global brands, Belgian chocolate leaves a mark in every corner.
Belgium, where chocolate is not just food, it is an experience.